It's pretty. Ain't no Grom. Facts. Pounding the ground. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today, it's Wednesday, so it's bike night, so we are going to do a little bit of that. Y'all probably see that video the day after this one's uploaded, but right now we just going to do some hooligan-ish, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too fancy, nothing crazy, just gonna go chill with a couple of the Grom homies. You see we got the Grom out today. We're gonna go grab a couple more Groms, probably go to the spot. I'm gonna give y'all a little breakdown of everything that's done to Talon. And then, I'm also filming a top speed video on the Triumph later today, so that's gonna be interesting too. Make sure y'all tune in and see what that is about. I'm predicting top speed would be between 165 and 170. I think I've gotten it up to 160 before, and that was a little scary to me. I was like, damn, this is kind of crazy. This is a really nice bike to be just running out like this, but it took it like a champ, so we're gonna just top it out today. We gotta take the feeder because we got the Grom with us, but it's okay, we're only going a couple exits down. Oh, look at the Camaro. Yeah. Finna turn green. Nope, not for us. Cool. Trip. I dribbled him. Whoa. Damn, it's warm out here today. Whew, good old Houston humidity. He's got music playing. I don't, because the microphone picks up the music and that's cramping my style, you know. Can't have that. Still recording. Is we still blinking, Sonny? Yeah, we good. Come on, light. Oh. My face is sweaty in my helmet and it's itchy. I hate it. But I also don't like... don't like riding without a helmet more, so, you know, I'm conflicted. Hit me in the titty. Hit my titty. Take a slight right, sonny. Goddamn. I'm only going, I'll probably go like 6 or so. Dun, 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 dun. People love the Grom. Yeah, that's what I do, pointing through his windshield. He's like, look at it! Look at the Grom! It's so loved. Alright, we about to pull up. I'll get back to you once we start riding. Oh yeah, we back. Alright, look, y'all see we gained a few more Groms. We gained a few more Groms. Hey, what's up, buddy? That was a cool little four-wheeler that dude had. What do y'all think about that Grom? That exhaust, the toast exhaust out the rear. That shit is so cool. I love it. I had to have it. That's like 60% of the reason I bought it. I guarantee you that. 10% of it was the color, and then the other 30% was because it was coming from a homeboy, and I was like, yeah, gonna take care of it. Yeah, see, we were in the part of the neighborhood. He's like, we go to Jew, and now look at him. I guess we out of that part of the neighborhood. Mr. Businessman was not amused. I was very amused. I love it. Gravel in all these turns. Close that up so y'all can hear me a little better. Oh yeah, but you know, we out here with the STK boys. Stay true, crew. Harambe. Damn, that's a castle. No, not really. I know it's not a castle, but that house is huge. I couldn't even imagine living in a house that big. That's just, it's too much house. I'd rather have a lot of garage, like a barn-dominium or something. This is just too much house for me. I don't want to keep track of having to clean all those rooms and shit. Trouble if I lived in this neighborhood. Oh, this road right here would get me in trouble. I would just shoom, 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 like back and forth all day long, up and down the road. Go to jail. Look at him up there. I just want to be that smooth with it one day. See, I can touch the toes right now. Yeah, I did it. Told you. Goodness. Why are you driving so fast? Speed limit's 35, but look at him go. This is what we want, boys. We want to be this good. That's it. That's it. Be able to drop back. All that cool shit. Oh, no hands. Look at him go. God damn, that's a nice car. We all looked at it. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, boy. pretty. Cool looking Gixxer. Pretty. Like cream color. Hopefully that's enough to trip the sensors. You would think that 4 Groms and 1 regular bike would be enough. Regular bike, oof, that was probably offensive. Big bike, 4 Groms and 1 big bike would be enough to set off that, but I guess not. Ah, neutral bombed himself. Ah, that was great. Yeah, exactly. We both did that little hand wave. Fishing! Wheelie! Whoop! Think about it, it's kind of perfect to do this through neighborhoods because people can't go over 30 miles an hour anyways, or they shouldn't be. So it's like, you do 35 mile an hour wheelies, you're good. Nobody should be trying to rush you or anything. Is that a scooter? Should I give them 2? I'm gonna do it. Yeah, yeah. Look, the way I see it is, if you got the balls to get on 2 wheels and on the highway with some of these crazy motherfuckers in Houston, you got my respect. I give you 2. Hey, a bike. What's up, buddy? This is a nice Ducati. Another one up there at the light. That's a Harley boy. A little swerve, a little bit of a swerve, a little swerve. Yeah. Look at him go. What are you, drafting? What are you? My guy. For shame, woman. Hey, back up. It's okay. You're not finna, oh, you did run the light. Alright, so find her way back in. Yeah, cool. Glad she got that worked out. Yeah. I wish I would have got it that way because that's a way better view. But fuck it. We can get the cranes. Look at him, wheelie downhill. What a boss. I wish I could. I do it in my dreams, I swear I do. Trails. I'll see y'all when we get there. We found the bicycle trails. They're paved. It's so nice. Look at them fishing out there. Probably so confused. Probably like, what the hell is happening? People on motorcycles? Watch me corner, boys. Yeah, excellent cornering skills. All right, now we go left. Yeah, yes. Ah, another right. And a left. Ah. Oh, we're so good at this. Look at them. Startled the children. Oh, Jesus. Goofy goobers. We're just taking the shortcut back home, guys. No need to worry.